Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into redress. 7 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Remedy, which means set right an undesirable situation. Remedy. For example, money will be given to remedy the poor funding of nurseries. Number 2. Correct, which means put right an error or fault. Correct. For example, proofread your work and correct any mistakes you find. Number 3. Right, which means restore to a normal or correct state. Right. For example, he would do what was necessary to right the situation. Number 4. Ameliorate, which means make something bad or unsatisfactory better. Ameliorate. For example, any move that ameliorates the situation is welcome. Number 5. Retrieve, which means put right or improve an unwelcome situation. Retrieve. For example, they were working hard to retrieve the situation. Number 6. Rectify, which means put right. Rectify. For example, mistakes made now cannot be rectified later. Number 7. Repair, which means make good damage. Repair. For example, an operation to repair damage to his neck. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Furthermore, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.